What is going on, everybody? RC Propaganda here, coming back at you with another video. So, if you watch my latest live videos explaining some stuff and letting you know I kind of needed a fresh start, and that includes redoing my studio room here. So, this is my little room I got. As you can see, it's very full of figures and RC trucks, and space is limited, and I kind of have to make some room because I got the mini fridge, kind of can't see it, it's over there, and that took up another section of space. And then I got this workbench over here. Now, with the workbench, I don't really use it. It's more of just a storage area, which I don't really need. I got these cubbies here and these little bins in there. So my goal is to clear out the workbench, disassemble it. I'm going to put it in my storage unit and kind of try to set up a new spot for filming. And then I'll have more room for my figures and just to make my RC videos as well. So I figured I'd just kind of make this little video here. I'm going to set it up on a time lapse. I'm going to get to organizing that workbench, and then I will redo some stuff. I might have to pick up some new cubbies or a bookshelf or something. I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to do yet, but that is my goal in this video. So I'm going to get to work, and when I'm all done, I will give you guys a tour and show you guys some of the stuff I got going on in here, and we'll just see what it comes out to be. And yeah, I guess I'll just show you guys. So I'm going to get to work, and I will see you guys when I'm all done. Okay, so I got the back piece off. Everything is kind of still disorganized here, but I don't have a whole lot underneath on the bottom here, so I just got to get that stuff out, and then I can disassemble the rest of the bench. I guess I got these drawers full of stuff, but there's really not that much in there and in there, so all I gotta do is take a little bit more stuff out. I'm gonna make a mess here, but I get everything kind of buttoned back up, and I'm gonna get another one of these cubicles, and I'll have enough room to organize the rest of my stuff, and then I'll figure out what else I'm gonna do. Okay, so there's a lot more room, baby. We got the workbench all out. I had some junk behind there, I guess. And we got some more junk over here, so I still got quite a bit of work to do. Definitely need more storage containers, so I guess I'm gonna have to leave everything like this for now. I'm just gonna move some stuff around and get it so I can at least sit at my computer a little bit. But yeah, starting to shape up, and hopefully I can get this stuff all organized, and we'll see how it looks when I'm all done. So tomorrow I'm going to go shop for another cube. Well, not shop, I know where to get those. But then we'll see, because I'll have quite a bit of room. Maybe, I don't know. We'll have to see how everything unfolds. So that's the plan for now, and we'll get some stuff organized. I'm going to have to go through all those and each one of these. Take more stuff to my storage unit, like all these tires in here that I don't use and stuff. So still a work in progress, but I'll meet you guys back in here, or maybe in the store. I'll do some vlogging, I don't know, we'll see. And yeah, we'll get some more stuff, and we'll get this studio straightened up. Alright, good morning. It is day 2, continuing this new studio video. I got the missus with me. We're outside of Target waiting for them to open. I need to get those cubicles, but also I'm doing a quick fig hunt. I'm looking for the slash and leatherhead, so hopefully I can find those. And yeah, I'll get this stuff. I still might go get a couple more shelves. I don't know. I gotta get that room cleaned up because it's not looking good. It's pretty dirty after I got that workbench out. So I'm gonna go in there, I'm gonna get that stuff, and then I will see you guys back in the studio, and we'll see the progress. Okay, so I am back in the messy room. I got a new cube storage space. Had to go to Lowe's to get this one because Target didn't have any. This one actually feels a little bit more heavy duty anyway, and I got some little containers to go in there. So I got to go through all this stuff and kind of clear this whole space out. I'm gonna move this table, and I don't know. I got a lot of work to do, so let's get to work, and I will show you the next phase when we get there. It's gonna be a while. Okay, so next up is to move this table over to here, I think. So I got the cubbies kind of cleaned off, and yeah, that's all vacuumed, cleaned. I won't have a background, but I don't know. What do you guys think about the brick background? Does it look good, or what? Or should I put something different for videos in the back? I'm not sure. So I'm gonna clean this off. Just gotta get a little bit of the stuff off of it, and I can wheel it over here because it's on wheels. So I'm gonna move these. Yeah, I don't know. My hallway is a mess over there, so. But my figs look good. Okay, so my table is kind of big. I wanted it in the corner. I was thinking the corner behind me over here, but I got these stacked up, but it's not super sturdy. Should be okay for just a little bit of weight I'm going to put in it. You know, I'll put the heavy stuff I have on the bottom as like a, you know, like an anchor. But then I got this spot over here available for the new cube. I have no room over here like I wanted. So it's still, I need a bigger room, but I'm not very good at design. So the only other thing I can think of is I was thinking about replacing the desk and getting just something that fits in the corner so I can get rid of this little L space. But then I'm going to have all my Hasbro collection in those two rings. So I don't really know where I'd put those. And so you can see if this was like me filming RC videos, I'm going to have all this in the background. And I don't know. It's not a lot of room. You don't need a lot of room, but I don't know. I don't know what to do. So I'm going to keep messing around and see what I can come up with. But I'm going to start putting some stuff back into these cubbies here. Oh, excuse me, and see what happens. Well, okay, I got things kind of shaping up. So I stacked those. I got the new one here built, so I'm working on that. I got some more of those cubbies now. The next thing is these things are kind of all really disorganized. I do got these little labels on here, which I kind of like. But the problem is you change things, and these things aren't cheap. I don't know if you can get new little pieces of paper, but these things actually were like, I mean, kind of expensive when you got to get them all up. So it's like, you know, I don't know. I don't really care if they're labeled or not. And I do like these plastic bins. They're a little more heavy duty for heavier stuff, but these things work pretty good. So I got some stuff in there and whatnot, and I don't know. It's just kind of a work in progress, but I got to get the room kind of all shaped up, and I'll have to organize all of that stuff as we go. I got my 3D printer here, so I can kind of have that, and this will probably be the new filming area, so I'll have to figure something out here on how I get in there, but I will be able to do it. I got my lights, my tripod, so I'm actually kind of focusing on this little area right here. I'm going to move that cubby, try to get this fridge over, get some more room, and yeah, so we're getting there. We're getting there. Not done yet, but moving along. Okay, day 3, redoing the studio. Good morning. Having my first sip of coffee. I love coffee. So I got everything kind of organized how I want it and the spots, but the problem is I gotta go through all my bins and kind of get everything cleaned up and really organized. It's like positioned, but I don't know what's in certain bins. I got all kinds of other stuff, so I gotta go through all that stuff today, and once I get everything all complete and organized, I'll just give you guys the full tour and show you all the little things I got going on, and then that'll be it. So I'm gonna have my coffee here and wake up a little bit more. It's like 6:30. I just got up, so I like to have my coffee and go on the internet for a little bit and watch some YouTube videos, and then once I feel a little bit awake, I'm gonna get to work. So yeah, let's do it. Okay, so these are all the little bins here. I gotta go through them all. So I got like tires in this one, just all my oils and stuff in that one. I got like RTR radios, so I gotta prioritize some of the stuff and move it around. I got all these kind of ones here empty basically, so I'm gonna go through and organize. I got a couple up here already, like this one is nice and clean for my paints because I redid that one recently. That's just got rags and some cleaner in it that I like, so that one is all set. So I got to go through and kind of arrange these how I want them, where I'm going to use them the most. It kind of sucks. A lot of the stuff I don't really use, but I don't know what to do with it. I hate to not have it, so I gotta prioritize and see what happens. So I'll go through this and yeah, get it all cleaned up. That's the next phase here. Well, okay, studio is done. To be honest, it's not exactly what I wanted. I thought I'd have more room getting rid of that workbench over there, but overall it is an improvement for me. So got my lights, my tripod over here, and I can set that stuff up and be able to film my videos over here. It's kind of a pain because I can't have everything set up perfect, but I'm very good at complaining, so it is what it is. I will try to get more videos out, and I got lots of stuff I'm working on. I got to finish this RAM charger body up because I want to get that going on my VS410 custom like build up here. I got the axial body on there. That actually looks pretty cool on a crawler. I don't really want to chop it up and get it on there, but yeah, that's what I got going on. Let's see here. I got the all the cubbies kind of organized somewhat. It's not perfect. It's like, I got my paints, just a bunch of random stuff in here, all my axial parts in here, and just, not a whole lot going on in these. That'll be a work in progress, but everything is pretty much organized. Got all my bashing stuff in this one, and these ones are kind of empty. Got that Enduro kit down there that I'm working on. Down here, all my tires. So this is kind of my desk setup here. You can kind of see all my figs. I really like these NECA TMT figs. I got almost all of the cartoon ones. I got the movie ones over here. I found that blimp on Craigslist and a lot that I got. It's still holding air since the day I put air in it. It's kind of rare. A lot of times they leak. More WWE figs over here. I got all the rings and some more over here. All my RCs are up there except those two. Mrs. Propaganda's Wraith is sitting over there. Again, that's where I'm going to do the filming. My 3D printer. And yeah, it's kind of like a little 360 tour, everything I got going on. These are kind of some more NECAs up here. I got all the Terminator stuff to the right there. Some horror, some of the Predators. Yeah, so that's kind of what I got going on. It does feel a little bit better. I got my fridge here, And yeah, that is it. That is my little studio room tour. Well, I guess that's gonna wrap it up, guys. I hope you kind of enjoyed this video. I know it's a little different, not super RC related or anything, but it's something I wanted to do. I'm happy to have made a change to the room. Like I said, I'm still kind of trying to get over the death of my dog and everything, and I figured it'd be a nice way to kind of just start over new with a new setup and just kind of try to move forward. So I've had that set up for so long. Like I said, I wasn't using that workbench, so super happy to get it out of here. Now I just gotta get it to my storage unit, unfortunately. But yeah, that's kind of what I got going on. Let me know what you guys think of my studio or anything like that. Just put it down in the comments. Try to respond to everyone I can. And yeah, stay tuned for some new RC videos. They will be coming out. I will be trying to get back into the swing of things. Appreciate everybody kind of holding on and just kind of, you know, sticking around and still commenting, and all the people, like I said, that left me nice comments about my dog and everything. Means a lot. And yeah, I will be bringing you guys new RC videos, so make sure you stay tuned for that, and I will catch you guys in the next one.